Hey folks, Bob Sharon. I want to give you a little update on what's going on here. These charges I leveled against these judges: criminal conspiracy to conceal a felony. I requested first this 158-page document that I sent to the Court of Common Pleas. It's order for transcripts, informal purpose, as well as to proceed under informal purpose status. Also, to the court, due to the severity of this issue and the fact that this defendant is using the financial statement submitted to the state Supreme Court, which has been granted, coupled with the fact that this defendant has repeatedly been denied many requests, petitions, and/or pleadings in this and other cases, and any further denials will result in this defendant adding to the list of criminal conspirators, and/or an additional charge. Financial statement provided on the next page. I'm not going to go into that. So this document and the other one for custody, 3685-2009, was was brought in by me on 31st of May. The custody went down to Judge Zulik. He naturally denied it. Same request. This, however, was put in the file in storage. This 158-page document. I went back to the Pathonetary office on June 20th, and it seems that they screwed up. Never went to a judge. So the Pathonetary office, George Warden, got the file out of storage, made a copy of it, and brought it down to the Monroe County Pathonetary office. I'm sorry, Monroe County Administrator's office. So that was brought to a judge on the 21st, which happened to be Judge Zulik, which is the major co-conspirator in the concealing of a felony, along with the 23 exhibits. So the order from Judge Zulik, and now this 21st day of June 2013, I hereby recuse myself from this matter and refer the case to the court administration for reassignment. Now, I called it today, and it's being reassigned to Judge Williamson, the same judge that took away my rights to my children unlawfully. So I'm waiting on him. I'm going to wait on his decision, and we shall see if I should bring an additional charge and include Judge Williamson in the co-conspirators arena. And either way, it doesn't matter. Either way, it doesn't matter. I would hope he has a little bit of smarts up here, but it seems like none of the judges do. They already goofed up big time. So as it stands now, Zulik finally recused himself. Okay, which is a smart thing to do, because if he approved that, he'd be nailing his own coffin. If he disapproved, if he denied it, there would be an additional charge to the criminal conspiracy to conceal a felony. So he had no choice. I'm sure he wanted to deny it. I'm sure you did, Artie. I'm sure you did. But you know what? You're going to do it. You're going to do this. Not my way. Not my way. You're going to do it the right way. The way it should be done, and the way it should have been done in the beginning. Because if you don't like what I say, be man enough to come to me and say, Bob, I think you're a damn fool. I think you're an idiot. I think you're the biggest moron to walk on the face of the earth. I can handle that. Believe me. I got broad shoulders. But when you commit crimes, felonies, when you involve yourself in criminal activity, you and the other judges down there, you think I'm not going to react? You don't think I'm going to grasp every single opportunity that I can to bring this out after all the punishment you gave me? You paved the way for me to lose my kids. You did. Worthington, President Judge Worthington, Federagon, the whole bunch of yous. The conciliator. All of yous did that. All of yous. You know what? When you go down the drain, I'm not going to care. I am not going to care. Not one bit. Did you show me any leniency? Did you show me any fairness? No, not at all. You hammered me. Nick Harris, did you show me any sympathy? Nah. Pocono Country Place, did you show me any sympathy? Nah, not at all. You enjoyed it. You loved it. You embraced it. Get prepared, my friends. Get prepared. So that's the update. He recused himself. So I wonder what the next one's going to do. And it better be done soon, because I'm not waiting too long. That's all I got to say on this. That's my update. And this is Bob Sharon. I am out. I'm done. For now. Bob Sharon, I'm out.